Hello guys, and hope doing well. This is my HTC mobile phone mainboard. The memory IC is rehotted and I'm going to test the mainboard. But the thing is, the LCD connector is not working properly well, and I'm going to turn on this mainboard without LCD. I have one battery here, as you can see. It is a normal battery, and one simple meter, and I'm going to test the mainboard boot up without LCD in multimeter amp check, and it is good enough to set the meter amp to the 10 amp or 200 milliamp depending to your meter. And also the Brana clip should be connected to the 10 amp or to connect to the milliamp if you're using the milliamp selector. Very well. And also I have one shortwave receiver here. If you don't have it, you can use simple AM radio, and the output of this shortwave receiver connected to the speaker because of I need a speaker to have the sharp sound for the video, but in case of normal situation is good enough without any speaker, and the included speaker is good enough to listen to the mainboard boot up. Very good. It's good enough to connect the mainboard to the battery. Very nice. The battery leads should be connected to the ESD negative and positive as the schematic. If you don't have the schematic, you can check it with the multimeter. The ground pin is easy to find, and also the positive pin is usually right side of the negative and ESD pin. Very nice. I'm going to turn on the mainboard. Look at the multimeter amp usage. As soon as device booting up, one by one the parts, the amp usage gonna be changed. And also the shortwave, listen. As you can see, the multimeter amount gonna be changed as soon as each part loading with the Android operating system inside the mainboard, and as soon as the boot up completed, the amp usage gonna be 0 and the device will stay in stable mode like this. Yeah, it is 0. And you can see we don't have any shortwave anymore. So here is the mainboard boot up, and now device is in standby mode. If I press one more time the on and off switch,